In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your username and recover your online login on the Wells Fargo website. Whether you've forgotten your username or you're just having trouble logging in, we're here to guide you through each step seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Wells Fargo website by typing in www.wellsfargo.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a glance towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Sign On. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you would usually enter your username and password to log in, but don't worry if you've forgotten your username, because that's what we're here to resolve today. Below the login boxes, there's an option that says Forgot Username or Password. Click on this link, which will take you to the recovery page. On this page, you'll see a couple of options, and you need to select Find Username. This is your primary goal here, so ensure you select the correct option. Now to proceed, you'll need to provide some key information. Wells Fargo requires you to enter either your social security number, commonly referred to as SSN, or your tax identification number. Additionally, you'll need to input your Wells Fargo account number. These details are crucial for verifying your identity, so double check to make sure you input them correctly. Once done, press the Continue button to move forward. Next, you'll be directed to verify your identity through an additional security measure. Typically, Wells Fargo will ask you to confirm your identity either via text message or email. Choose which method suits you best or whichever you're able to access the fastest and follow the on-screen instructions. This step is vital for ensuring that your personal information remains protected. After successful verification, your username will either be displayed on the screen or sent directly to your registered email address. This dual approach gives you the flexibility to retrieve your username in the manner that's most convenient for you. There you have it, a straightforward process to find and recover your Wells Fargo username. Remember, maintaining the security of your login credentials is crucial, so store your username in a safe place where you can easily access it when needed. If you have any further difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Wells Fargo's customer service for additional support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped you recover your Wells Fargo online login details with ease.